You have arrived on yet another on-time flight. Last year, over 90% of Ryanair flights landed on time, beating every other European airline. Ryanair, for the lowest fares and the best on-time records.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Ryanair, it is a pleasure welcoming you to London Stansted. 25 minutes ahead of schedule. The local time is 7:15. Ladies and gentlemen, since the aircraft is moving, we ask you to remain in your seats with your seatbelt securely fastened. That goes for the gentleman in the back with a white sweater standing up. Thank you. And once again, ladies and gentlemen, for your own safety, remain in your seats with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop. The fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off and the main passenger door in the front of the cabin has been opened for you. Please exercise caution whilst opening the overhead lockers, because items of your carry-on luggage might have become dislodged during flight and fall out and cause injury. For those of you who smoke, we once again ask you to refrain from doing so until you have reached a designated smoking area well outside of the main terminal building. If any passengers on today's flight are seeking car hire, Ryanair recommends Hertz. Hertz is a car rental partner, and you will find a Hertz rental desk situated inside of the arrival hall. So for the lowest fares, the nearest routes, car hire, traveling, hotel accommodation, another possibility to check in online from 15 days up until 4 hours per departure. Please have a look at our website at Ryanair.com. Finally, on behalf of Captain, the First Officer, but especially on board crew today, Paolo, George, Janka and myself, Carl, it's been a pleasure looking after you, and we wish you a safe onwards journey, or indeed a pleasant stay here in the local area. So we meet back on another scheduled Ryanair service. Thank you, and good evening. And for those of you returning home, welcome home.